Hello. As some of you may be aware, today is my last official day as the health officer for Humboldt County. Next Tuesday, December 8th, the Board of Supervisors will have approval of the new health officer on their agenda. Until then, Dr. Josh Ennis, Deputy Health Officer, will provide coverage. On December 14th, I will be moving into my new part-time supporting Deputy Health Officer role. We will be doing media on Friday to provide information about the transition and the incoming health officer. Before I respond to today's questions, I just want to say again how grateful I am for having had the opportunity to serve as the health officer for Humboldt County. I have found out the hard way that the fastest way to learn what is at the core of your new community is to face a pandemic together. I don't recommend this approach. But the gift has been seeing the incredible heart of this place, the way most of us have recognized this as the moment to put into practice the things we teach our children about kindness and the responsibility we all have to one another. And as hard and exhausting as this has been, I would do it all again because it has been a privilege to be able to do important work and to do it alongside and on behalf of the people I deeply respect and admire. Every day, I am literally surrounded by my personal heroes at Public Health and the EOC who have given their all to this effort for 10 months now and still show up every day to do it again. This includes every person supporting the effort and all of those holding down the fort on everything else that still needs to get done. For a very long time, longer than every other large county, we held COVID-19 at bay. Finally, as most of the country and the state surged in cases, we began to see the impossibility of keeping COVID forever outside our gate. But the time gained has made us far better prepared than we would have been last spring. As of next week, we will have tripled our Optum capacity, including a mobile unit that will test 5 days a week in locations across the county. This asset, together with our outstanding internal lab, will bring testing capacity to well over 3,000 specimens per week, more than 100 times what we could do at the start of the pandemic. In addition, our new regional testing partnership with UIHS in Del Norte County is finalizing its preparations and is expected to begin adding to our capacity sometime this month. Our stellar contact investigation team has been expanded and refined over time. Together, we have made the move to a state contact tracing platform, bringing increased efficiencies to our process, new tools, and additional staffing to meet the growing response need. Our alternate care site preparations are nearly complete through the dedication of our EOC team and our partner in this effort, St. Joseph Hospital. I see this as an incredibly important safety net for our community as we watch what is playing out across the country and in parts of California. We still hope to never need it, but it will be there if we do. Our Joint Information Center team continues to do what it has done in an extraordinary fashion from the start, helping to ensure everyone in the community has the information they need to navigate through this pandemic. Those in the community who have called for information are met with warmth and civility and answers to their questions in real time. Finally, to all of you, the journalists in our community who have worked so hard to inform the public throughout the pandemic, I extend my deepest thanks. We have all been talking about COVID and living with COVID for a long time, and it would be tempting to move on and drift away in coverage, but you have steadfastly hung in there, following the science and bringing it to Humboldt residents, and for that I'm forever grateful. Your dedication has helped to keep our friends and relatives safer. We are entering a challenging period in this pandemic with surging cases and threatened hospital capacity statewide. It's going to take concerted effort by all of us and continued sacrifice to move through this wave with fewer severely ill individuals and fewer lives lost. But the vaccine is coming. Data suggests it will be safe and effective and is likely to be the thing that propels us forward out of this pandemic and the enormous toll it has taken on all parts of our community: children, families, businesses, schools, and the most vulnerable across the county. But I am hopeful we will celebrate its end soon, and we'll celebrate it together, all of us, healthy and together. It will be a most amazing day. Thank you.